Hi dear friends, I Dharmendra Soni welcome you to my YouTube channel PDS Classes. Before starting the lesson, I want you to watch this video. There is a surprising fact about this video is that the musician in this video was Evelyn Glennie and she was completely deaf. Even a deaf person like Evelyn Glennie could perform so beautifully and can become one of the greatest musician or percussionist in this world. Let us know about her. In this video, we are going to discuss the second chapter of Beehive, the sound of music. In the given video, the first topic, Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing, will be discussed in detail along with the central plot. Let us discuss first the vocabulary of this chapter. First word is aspiring musician, which means a person who wants to be a musician, जो एक संगीतकार बनना चाहता है. The second word is impaired, it means weakened. Impaired को हम हिंदी में कह सकते हैं कमजोर हो जाना और a person who has become handicapped. Xylophone is a musical instrument. Generally, it is made up of wood. It is quite popular in Western culture. The picture that was given in the beginning of the video, there Evelyn Glennie was playing xylophone. Percussionist is a person who plays the drum, the tabla or any other type of musical instrument. Potential, it means having the quality or ability, किसी भी क्षमता का होना potential कहलाता है. Audition is a short performance in which talent of a person is observed in a shorter period of time. Flawlessly, it means without committing any mistake. Resonances, it means the echoes of the sound. The rise and fall in music is known as resonances. And the last word is workaholic, a person who finds difficult to stop working, जिसके लिए अपने आप को काम से रोक पाना बड़ा मुश्किल हो, वो person workaholic कहलाता है. Such type of person always remain busy in the work. Let us first discuss the introduction of the central figure of the given lesson, Evelyn Glennie. The complete name of Evelyn Glennie was Dame Evelyn Elizabeth Ann Glennie. She was born on 19 July 1965. She is a Scottish virtuoso multi-percussionist. It means she is playing many types of musical instruments. She is performing internationally with a wide variety of orchestras and contemporary musicians. She was selected as one of the 2 laureates for the Polar Music Prize of 2015. She has been awarded 15 honorary doctorates from universities in the United Kingdom, the Officer of the Most Excellent Order of the British Empire (OBE) in 1993. this particular part form only the introduction of Evelyn Glennie. It has nothing to do with your text. It is given just for your kind information. There is one particular comment about her. It has been taken from the text. Text में से लिया गया है. The statement says about Evelyn Glennie that God may have taken her hearing ability, but God has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, Evelyn Glennie feels. She feels it more deeply than any of us. That is why she is able to express music so beautifully. In short, इसका मतलब होता है अगर भगवान हमारे से कोई भी सेंस या हमारी एबिलिटी को छीन लेता है तो कहीं ना कहीं वो हमारे को और पॉजिटिव और स्ट्रॉन्ग बना के छोड़ता है. Evelyn Glennie was not able to hear anything, but later we find that she was able to feel more or deeper than anyone else. The same statement has been explained below. Someone has commented it about Evelyn Glennie. He says that although God took away all the hearing power from her, she was impaired, but He gave her an extraordinary thing, and that was the sense of feeling. She could feel very deeply, far more deeply than the normal people. Why she was able to express music so beautifully, so well. She is a well-known multi-percussionist. She plays different percussion instruments like xylophone, drums, etc. Now we discuss the summary of the given lesson in some parts. Evelyn Glennie is a multi-percussionist. Dear friends, multi-percussionist word का मतलब होता है a person who plays different type of musical instrument. She can play about 1000 instruments with perfection. She listens to sound without hearing it. Here, listen more implies for feeling something. She fought against physical ability and became a source of inspiration for thousands of disabled persons. Generally ये होता है कि those people who are quite handicapped, जो handicap होते हैं, they generally curse their life. But here nothing happens. Evelyn Glennie becomes one of the greatest musicians in this world. So it is a hope for all the disabled person. They can gain inspiration from this particular lady. And she is also a source of inspiration. We have been provided with all type of senses. अगर Evelyn Glennie deaf होने के बावजूद भी एक greatest musician बन सकती है, when we are given all the senses, we are also able to do anything in our life. Her loss of hearing was gradual. Gradual का मतलब होता है slow होना. Particular, this third point will form a 2-mark or 3-mark question. At the age of 8 years, her deafness was noticed. आपको ये याद रखना है, when was her deafness noticed? Actually, her name was called to play piano, but she didn't move from her place. That's why we can say that at the age of 8 years, her deafness was noticed. Fourth point, she tried to hide her deafness. अपनी deafness को उसने छिपाने की भी कोशिश की थी. In this point, you will come to know that her deafness was confirmed. कैसे confirm हुई? At the 11 years, it was discovered that she had the hearing disability. Actually, her headmistress called her parents to meet a specialist. Her headmistress told her parents that she was performing very less in examination. तो उसका performance बहुत कम था. For that reason, her parents were called and they were advised that they should meet a specialist. Her nerve damage was found there and it was advised to send her to a school for the deaf children. She wanted to pursue her career in music. Actually, she wanted to be musician. अगर कोई deaf person musician बनने के लिए कहे, obviously many people are there who would discourage that person. As in the same way, her teachers discouraged her. But it was Ron Forbes. आपको इस नाम को याद रखना है. If there was no Ron Forbes, then Evelyn Glennie could not become one of the greatest musicians in the history of present era. He recognized her potential. Potential का मतलब होता है ability. उसकी ability और क्षमता को पहचाना and supported her to achieve her goal. So that's why we can say that Ron Forbes played a dominant role in shaping the life of Evelyn Glennie. Ron advised her not to listen through her ears. आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन आ रहा होगा, how did she learn music if she could not listen? कैसे सीखा उसको? Now the way is given here. Ron advised her not to listen through her ears but to sense and feel it. ये आपको याद रखना है. She sensed the music and felt it in some other way. Soon she became very excited when she was able to feel the music in her body. She felt the vibration of the higher drum. ये पॉइंट आपको यहाँ याद रखें आप. She felt the vibrations of the higher drum from the waist above and the lower drum from the waist down. She realized that she could feel the vibrations in every part of her body. These would enter in her skin, her cheekbones, even in her hair. उसे लगा that everything is entering in her body. She had learned to open her body and mind to the sounds and vibration. After that girl never looked back and ultimately she got huge success. Evelyn enjoyed the prestigious Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the Academy. She worked hard with strong determination. She got right to the top due to this determination. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम कुछ कहना चाहें तो she did not lose her hope. उसने अपनी उम्मीदें नहीं खोई. Second, I can say that the girl was determined to become something and she became so. Apart from the regular concerts, concert it means performance concerts, Evelyn gives free concerts in prison. Prison का मतलब होता है जेल वगैरह में भी वो free concert देती है. And in hospital, she is a shining inspiration for the deaf children. The lesson will be continued in the next video. We will discuss the text. Till that, goodbye.